Hey, so today is the day I've been waiting for. I'm about to tear out the interior. We're just completely covered in fabric, glue, and this little foam insulator stuff. Here we go. Alright, so now I'm going to take the seat out and take this nasty carpet off. Under the carpet I found my very first business card. It says Country Girl Photography. Not as much residue on the floor as I thought there might be. The doors aren't too bad. The dash I was probably gonna replace anyway, but really it's not like messed up or cracked or anything. It's just got some residue on it. Pretty sure the original radio still works. I'm probably just gonna keep it and figure out how to hook it back up in all this mess. Can't decide if I want to paint the inside, redline it, cover it in something, what I should do to the dash because I don't really want it to be red. And the door panels, I'm obviously gonna have to just buy the actual panels or maybe build something. I don't really know. I'm gonna wrap the outside, so I don't know if wrap works well for a dash. At this point I'm just gonna clean it out. I won't video that because it's just a lot of dirt. I'm gonna get online and order some new speakers, check on the door panels. I don't know if I'm gonna cover the seat, or I really don't want to have it reupholstered. And the seat itself, isn't broken down or anything, so I don't want it pink and brown, but these little things that are painted pink that is not worth trying to clean them up, I'll probably just order those new. So if you have any tips or ideas, feel free to let me know in the comments below. Okay, bye.